friends. I hope you all are doing very well. So this is the second class of Python series. In today's class we will discuss about Python variables. So Python variable is a name that is used to refer to the memory location. So basically there are some memory locations inside the computer memory, and we have given some names to that memory location, and these names are called as Python variables. And generally in different other languages like Java and C++, we need to specify the type of the variable, but in Python we don't specify the type of the variable. It automatically assumes the type of the variable, that is auto identifies. So let's say if you assign the value of 50 to the variable a, this is the name of the location basically. So in that case this a will be treated as integer variable, and here you can see that if you assign the value of a to b, so since the a is holding the value of 50, so that will be assigned to b, and b is also of type int, and if you print the value of b, it will give you the value as 50. Let's try to run this in a PyCharm ID and see what happens. I have pasted the variables here. So here the value of a is 50, b equal to a, and we are printing the value of a. So it should print 50 when we run this program. Let's run this. We got the value as 50. That is correct. If we give the value as here as 50.0, then a will be treated as variable of type float, and if you assign the value of a to b, so b will also be of type float because it will be containing the value 50.0, and here we are running this, printing this value of b, so it should give 50.0 now. Let's run this code. Yes, here you can see that in the console it's 50.0. If you assign the value like this in double quotes, so that will be treated as of type string. We can assign some numeric value, some floating type value. We can print them, all of them, during the print statements. Let's try to run this program. Select all of these and go to the run and run. Plus apply to run this program. Oops, there is some error, I guess. The error is at line 4, as you can see here, indentation error. So we should be very much careful with the indentation because Python basically focus on indentation basically. So I've run the program. Now you can see that if the value that is stored in name variable is Devan, so it is printed here. Value which is stored in age is 20, which is printed here. The value which is stored in marks 80.50, which is also printed here. We can also assign the variables, the multiple values in a single line like this. Here you can see that the value of a will be 5, b equal to 10, and c equal to 15. Let's try to run this program first. See what is the output. There is some error at line 2. Okay. So the error is basically we have not included braces while printing. So that is why it is giving error. So I've added the braces. Now it should run successfully. Let's try to run it. Yes, now you can see that the value of a is 5, so if 5 is printed here, the value of b is equal to 10. So 10 is printed, the value of c equal to 15. We are printing the value of c here, so that is equal to 15. Now we will see the type of variables. So type of the variables, basically if any variable is defined inside the function, so that variable will be having the local scope, or we can say them that these are local variables as they have the local scope and they will not be accessible outside the function. Let's try to run this program first. I've copied this program. This hash is basically used for commenting the line. So if you added any comments, this will not be the part of the program and it will not be executed by the compiler. This complete line will be ignored by the compiler while execution of this program. This line will also be ignored while compiling the program. So now this is the function. Function is defined with def keyword. This is just the basic overview of the function. We will discuss the functions in detail in later classes. So the name of the function is add, and we have added the colon here. Now with the indentation, we have made sure that the a, b, and c, they both are of type local variables because they are added inside the function. A equal to 40, b equal to 30, and we are adding the value of a and assigning it to c, and we are printing the value of c here. The sum is the value of c. Now here we are calling the function. So let's first try to run this program till here. Okay, so we are getting error c is not defined. Some is name errors, name c is not defined. Okay, so what could be the issue there? Let's remove this line and just try to print the value of c. Again, this is the error. Python projects main.y line 5 indentation error, unexpected indent. Okay, so just now it should run. Now it is giving us name error saying that name is c is not defined. This is because giving the error because both the function add and print function, they both have the same level of indentation, so they are being, this print function is considered out of the add function, so that is why c is not accessible to this print function. But if we indent it inside, then this print function will be inside the add function and it will be able to access the value of c. Now let's try to run this program. We have not got any output. Let's run again. Okay. Let's remove this line, just try to print the value of c. Not giving the value of c. Line 6, unexpected indent. What could be the reason it's not? Now I'm adding the function which is outside the scope of this add function. I mean, I'm calling this add function. So when I call this add function, it should print the value of C. So if you are calling this function, then you will be able to print the value of C. Run main. So now we have got the value as 70. Plus we are calling this function, and any print statement or whatever be the statement inside the function will be called automatically. Here we have assigned the value of a equal to 5, b equal to 6, and we're printing a and b at the same time. That is printing multiple variables. So let's try to run this program. Okay. So we can see that it gives the 5,6. We can also print the variables by using the comma. You can print any number of variables here. Or if you want to print any numbers like say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Let's print this statement. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Whatever is written inside the print function has been printed here. So I hope you have enjoyed this class and you have got everything till now. What are variables? What are the variables having local and global scope? And if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section, and I'll try to answer all of your questions. Thank you for watching this video. Keep supporting. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.